This is part 2 from series of simple tunes for B-system chromatic button accordion. In this part, I show two-note simple Spanish tune called Las Agujas del Reloj. As in previous part, sheet music with complete Spanish lyrics and fingering for both hands is included. Also, keyboard visualization is included for good reference. For this tune, we only need two notes. We need G, that is on second row, and E, that is also on second row.